Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your LinkedIn payment method in Campaign Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your LinkedIn payment method in Campaign Manager, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Select the account where you want to authenticate the payment method. Look for the Payment Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on Payment Settings to access your payment options. In the Payment Settings section, find the Add Payment Method button. Click on this button to start the authentication process. You will be presented with several payment method options. Choose your preferred payment method from the list provided. Fill in the necessary details for the selected payment method. Make sure to enter accurate information, as this will be used for billing. After filling out the payment information, review it carefully. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Save button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify the payment method through a verification step. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve confirming a small charge or entering a verification code. Once you have completed the verification, you will see a confirmation message. Your payment method is now authenticated and ready for use in Campaign Manager. To ensure everything is set up correctly, navigate back to the payment settings. Verify that your payment method appears as active. If your payment method is inactive or requires further authentication, repeat the previous steps. You are now prepared to run your campaigns with an authenticated payment method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.